Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shweta. It's so good to see you guys. It's been a long time since I've done a PR unboxing. I think 2 months ago is when I did my last PR unboxing, my first ever on YouTube, and the response was great. And I usually refrain from doing PR unboxing only because I don't want you to get this sense of urgency to buy a lot of products. I don't want anyone to feel bad about, not getting products. I'm talking about upcoming content creators. So that is why in the span of me being here for 7 years, I have never ever done PR unboxing. So 2 months ago was my first. This is going to be my second. And the reason why I'm doing it is only because there are so many brands that have launched, you guys, and it is so unfair to them when you just get something from them as a gift and you put it into your cupboard and not talk about it. For them, it is their way of showing their audience, my audience, the viewers and people out there, that there is something new that they have formulated, something that could catch your fancy, could catch your attention. So this is my way of helping the brand because it's unfair to them because there's so many upcoming brands that are not established as of yet, and they rely on us content creators to help them out, especially upcoming brands that do not have the money to collaborate with a content creator, cannot pay, I'm talking about a paid collaboration. So they still want that reach with their audience to see basically what is new, what they are cooking up, in their storefront. So this is my way of helping them out. So just go with that sort of a vision when you're watching this and buy only what is necessary. This is something that I keep on talking about in my videos. You do not need all of it. But I just wanted to show you what the brands are up to, what's new in the makeup and skincare scene, including hair care. Oh, if you want me to do more such videos, you just got to let me know in the feedback section and I shall do it. I shall continue it. This way it becomes super beneficial for all of us, for me, you as the viewer and the consumer, and the brands as well. Alright, so let's start. Let's start first with Dot & Key. Now this box here contains multi-peptide pomegranate moisturizer, pomegranate youth serum and eye cream, and retinol night cream. All these products have ingredients that have the reputation of making your skin healthier. For example, peptides, retinol, ceramides. This box just screams skin revival. Thank you Dot & Key for sending this over. Eager to see how they perform. Pure Sense. Now this is a brand I haven't talked about much, and these products, which uses papaya as a co-ingredient, have got my eye. This is the natural papaya day cream, toner and face wash. But the product of the brand I'm more eager to try out are their sunscreens. The green one is a matte gel and has aloe vera as the key ingredient, while the pink one is a glow cream made from saffron extract. Both of them contain niacinamide too, so I'm super excited to try them all. Look at the beautiful kajal shades. This is from K Beauty, who have also sent me an eyebrow microblading pen, which I'm really eager to try along with the eyebrow tattoo liner. I really appreciate how creative this range is. Thank you K Beauty. If you want a review of the same, let me know you guys. Color Chemistry Lip and Cheek Crayon. This is a product I mentioned in the latest monthly favorite video for June, and it truly deserved to feature in it. This product explains why I have been loving Color Chemistry more than Juicy Chemistry. This kit has lipsticks for each and every skin tone out there, which is incredibly rare. It has a vegan formula, can be used as a lip liner, lipstick or blush, and is very travel friendly, which makes it really handy. My favorite shades include honey, mulberry and fuchsia. It really is a must-have. Moody PR. Now these products are from a brand I haven't talked about in this channel yet. This range was launched recently and includes skincare products which mainly focuses on hydrating and refreshing the skin. The Hydro Burst water sunscreen is lightweight, leaves no white cast and has a cooling effect on the skin. The Hydro Burst gel moisturizer promises 100-hour hydration. Well, it's a bit too much of a stretch, and you can actually feel it living up to its reputation because after applying it, it feels super refreshing and my skin seems to be hydrated for a very long time. But 100 hours, well, that's a bit of a stretch, like I said. Looking forward to trying out all of these products and talking about this brand in the future. Now, this cheeky trio is from a brand called Put Simply, and the name of these products really do put their purposes into simple terms. Their two bestsellers are Beat the Sun Sunscreen and Water Dam Moisturizer. The Get Your Green Cleanser contains plant-based antioxidants which just purifies and heals the skin, while the moisturizer vows to strengthen the skin barrier, and the sunscreen protects the skin from UV rays. The trio that serves different purposes combine to maintain your skin's health. Now, this is a brand that has really caught my attention. Now, this ProNex Bond Restore hair care range from Plum has an express mask, shampoo and pre-wash hair treatment. I've been trying these products for a while now, and as you can see, I'm on my second shampoo bottle. The range reverses hair damage and split ends while also making the bond stronger and the hair softer. The one that I'm impressed with the most is the pre-wash hair treatment, you guys, and this is a must-have from the range. It is recommended to be used twice a week before shampoo, and you have to apply this on damp hair. Avoid the scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off using the shampoo, and then apply the express mask. You can't use a hair oil while applying this hair mask. I just feel that you won't reap the complete benefits of this. So thank you once again, Plum, for sending me a backup. Just Herb body spray. Now, this new body spray range from Just Herbs, they include long-lasting fragrances for both men and women. It comes in sustainable bottle. My favorite out of the lot would be the Salt and Sand, followed by Floral Fiesta and Musk Divine, which would be actually very good for men as well. Cuffs and Lashes. Now, this is a product from a brand I absolutely love, Cuffs and Lashes. This is their matte mini, so travel friendly. Look how super cute they are. They are very, very lovely. They have shades for all skin tones. The range called Extra are nude, Snatched as berry shades. Main character is for all the pink lovers, and TFW are for the red lovers. I'm swatching the nude ones now. The first shade is called Next Level. It is suitable for all skin tones, especially deeper, darker skin tones. The second shade is called Flexin, which is a peachy shade, which is perfect for fair to medium skin tone, just like the next shade, OTT. They are vegan, cruelty-free, easy to carry. The shades are bold and highly pigmented, and you know, I love Cuffs and Lashes. They're affordable as well. Solawave 4-in-1 skincare wand. Now, this is a product we went into great lengths to receive because this was one PR that I really, really wanted. All because of the amazing reviews and the intriguing features like red light therapy, galvanic current, therapeutic warmth, and massage. It comes with an activating serum which needs to be put on the face before using the wand. The main highlight of the wand is the red light therapy technology, which at its specific wavelengths rejuvenates the skin. The microcurrent passing through it makes it vibrate and stimulates the skin painlessly. The shining, cool looking wand is to be used 3 or 4 times a week and takes around 2 hours to fully charge while working for 1 hour. Definitely worth the hype, and look at it. How beautiful does this look? Plum Bodylovin Body Mist. Now, you all know how much I love Plum Bodylovin Smoke-In Vanilla Body Mist. I've spoken about it tons of times throughout my videos, and Plum have been kind enough to send me a mini version of their latest launch, which is the perfume. Thank you, Plum, and I can't wait to test this and talk about this and review. RAS Luxury Box. This box from RAS Luxury contains a luxurious day cream with SPF 30 and a smooth night cream. The supercharged multivitamin day cream combines the potent benefits of 5 active ingredients, 10 antioxidants, 4 vitamins, and level botanicals. Ceramides also help in brightening and moisturizing the skin. The supercharged Bakuchiol night cream has 4 active ingredients, 13 antioxidants, and 14 botanicals. It provides deep hydration, improves skin hydration, and reduces pigmentation. I went to the RAS Luxury PR event, and I was in the midst of the formulation, you guys, when they took us to the factory. They took us to their labs where they were formulating this, and even then I knew that they have a winner in hand. This pair really gives that luxurious feeling to your skin, and it is super effective. So I can't wait to actually put this to a proper test and give you my final review. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know what you think, if you'd like me to do more parts of it, because you know, on a daily basis we get sent a lot, and it is fair to them if I showcase everything new that they have been formulating, basically. And it's also great for you guys to know exactly whether you want something new or not. Alright, so like I said, please leave your feedback in the comment section. I love reading it. Let me know what else you'd like to see on my channel, and I shall do it for you. Your wish is my command. Alright, I shall see you when I see you. Until later, bye for now.